Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create this look. It's pretty easy and I'm using the new Smarty Pants palette from MAC. If you watched my last anniversary vlog, you would have seen that my husband Justin got this for me as a gift, and I wanted to show you how to do a quick and easy look with it. It's pretty wearable if you're going to a Christmas party or just out with friends. I think that this look would be perfect for any occasion. I'm also trying out some new drugstore products that I got here in Bermuda, specifically for the base. Yeah, so trying out some new products and showing you how to do this look. Also, I just started Invisalign last week, so if I have a little bit of a lisp going on, that's why. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I'm going to start with the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Stick Foundation. This one's in the color 220 Natural Beige, and I'm just going to put that everywhere. This foundation isn't super pigmented, so you really need to apply a lot and really work on blending it out. And then I like to use my Sigma F80 Kabuki brush to just smooth that in. Okay, so my camera died, very annoying, but I basically finished my base. I blended in that foundation. I used this L'Oreal Magic Lumi highlighter. This product is similar to the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Eclat. So it's just like a light highlighting pen. I have this in the color light. So I took the foundation all the way up to under the eyes, and then for more coverage, and then put this on just to brighten that area. So I used that. I put a little bit down my nose and on my chin as well. And then I used my Anastasia Stick Foundation in Espresso to contour here. And then I set everything with the HD Finishing Powder by NYX. Now I'm just going to do the eyes. So I'm going to use my Smarty Pants palette from MAC, and I'm going to start with Totally Obsessed, so this really light shade here, and put that all over the eye. It's just like a really light transition shade. Has like a slight taupey color to it, but it's really light. It's nice though, because a lot of the colors in this palette are really like glittery and warm colors, so something like this is really all you need underneath them. Right now I'm going to take this color here called No Mercy, just to warm that up a little bit, just on the same brush. I'm just focusing that in the crease, but also bringing it onto the lid a little bit. I'm gonna put glitter on the lid, I think, so it's okay if it's there. Now I'm just dragging whatever's left on that brush right underneath the eyes, just to give some slight color down there. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this color here, Whiz Kid, just on my finger. You see the pigment there? And I'm just going to press this on the lid. And these colors have kind of like different sized pigments in them almost, so I find really working them in with the finger helps to give it that really shiny effect. Wow. Now I'm just going to take that same brush and make sure it's all kind of blended and there's no harsh lines, so just like in the crease, running it through really rough. Now I think I'm going to take this color Smart Alec. It's another kind of cool matte shade in there, and just going to deepen the outer corners. Yeah, that really brings it together nicely. And then again, just running that kind of on the outer half of my under eye. While I have this palette out, I'm just gonna take this highlight color called Wave Fresh and use that to highlight. It's super gold. Okay, so I just curled my eyelashes and applied the Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara. This is just like a sample size, but I wanted to try it out again, and pretty good. So now I'm just going to bronze up the face a little bit more. I feel like when you have kind of a like red toned eye or cranberry toned eye, you really have to make sure your skin is nice and bronzed, or else it can almost make you look like ill. And then I'm just gonna deepen it up with the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in medium 2. Just to make it a little bit darker. And for blush, I'm going to use this NARS blush in Amor. Very nice color to kind of like tie this look together, I feel like. That's really pigmented. Sometimes I just like to go over it with my powder brush just to diffuse that color if I put on too much. All right, now I'm going to use this Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray from Maybelline. I wanted to try a new affordable setting spray, so we'll see how this one works. Has a very strong scent. It kind of smells like the Urban Decay All Nighter. Right now I'm going to take my MAC Burgundy lip pencil and just line my lips. Alright, I kind of filled them in and contoured a little bit with that pencil because the lip product I'm going to use is pretty sheer. So it's the Revlon Color Stay Moisture Stain in Stockholm Chic. So it's just kind of like a stain that almost has like a gloss feel. Alright, lastly, I'm just going to go in with this highlighter again and put it on the inner corners just to make this pop a little bit. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look. Sorry if I went through it really quickly. I was just afraid that my camera was going to die again, so I just wanted to get it done super quick for you guys. But I think it turned out pretty nice using the new palette, and it almost looks like a holiday kind of inspired look with like the glittery eye and the bold lip, but I think it's still pretty wearable, and it would go with any kind of outfit, even if you had like a nice top and some jeans and heels on, and this could kind of like jazz up the look a little bit. Or if you're going to like a nice dinner or a Christmas party and you're wearing a dress, I think this looks awesome as well. You can even add like a winged liner or any kind of liner if you wanted to make it a little bit more dramatic. I just chose not to for today, but that would look awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.